Setcrete Exterior is a non-structural, exterior-grade floor leveling compound to smooth and level rough or mechanically damaged concrete or sand cement screeds. It can be used under exterior coverings, such as outdoor porcelain tiles or artificial grass, and can also be used as a standalone wear surface. First, inspect the area to be covered. Although Setcrete Exterior can be used over concrete affected by normal wear and tear, it is vitally important that this product is not applied over frost-damaged area, as the integrity of the floor structure will have been compromised. First, prime the absorbent surface with Setcrete acrylic primer. Dilute with 7 parts of water and stir until thoroughly dispersed. Then apply with a paint roller or bristle brush and allow to dry thoroughly before proceeding with the installation. Pour 3.4 litres of cold, clean water into a clean mixing bucket and gradually add the 20 kg bag of powder, while stirring with a power whisk fitted in an electric drill until a smooth, creamy and lump-free consistency is achieved. The material should be mixed for a minimum of 3 minutes, scraping the sides of the bucket halfway through to ensure all material is mixed. Pour the mix onto the dry primed subfloor and allow to flow to attain a smooth finish. Minimal work with a smoothing trowel is required. Drying is dependent on the absorbency of the subfloor, ambient temperature and humidity. Where a floor covering is being bonded onto the subfloor at a nominal 5 mm thickness, Setcrete Exterior will be ready to receive most floor coverings or coatings after 24 hours. When set and dried, Setcrete Exterior is unaffected by rain and frost, making it ideally suited for smoothing areas such as balconies, patios, garages and walkways. It is also the perfect choice for smoothing subfloors prior to the application of a suitable non-slip coating or external covering. Setcrete Exterior can be left as a standalone exterior wearing surface. To give a more natural surface finish and to reduce the potential for slip if left uncovered, it is recommended that a scratch coat is applied to the surface and brush finished to a textured profile. To provide a non-slip scratch coat, mix 20 kg of Setcrete Exterior with 3.4 litres of water and apply to freshly set material. Pour the material onto the surface and spread thinly using a steel trowel across the surface to leave a textured appearance. Alternatively, a broom finish can be used if required.